Today, we're talking to Jennifer Striegel. Welcome, Jennifer. And we're having community conversations on creativity, resilience, and strategies to thrive during COVID-19.
Thank you so much for having me, and so grateful to be here on behalf of Dancers Workshop and all arts in this thriving community. We are social distancing and wearing masks. I'm grateful that you're wearing yours while I am not wearing mine. What an exciting endeavor. This is amazing. Thank you.
Oh, absolutely. And I love having you here, Jennifer. And it's the first time we've met, but I've heard such great things about you. How are you making lemonade out of lemons?
Such a great question. I have to give huge credit to our community members here in Jackson. Beginning on that fateful day, March 13th was a Friday, our current president announced on YouTube that there was this thing called COVID. He was not quite sure about at the time. And instantaneously, us at Dancers Workshop huddled together and decided to go online proactively. Well, we weren't as proactive as we thought we were going to be, because that Monday, March 16th, all of Teton County School District closed. And we were officially online 7 days a week. The result of that was astounding. In hindsight, the lemonade came in droves because people who typically wouldn't feel comfortable signing up for classes in person started to join our community. Then people who have been part of the DW family for a long time started taking more and different classes to try. And the most important silver lining is we have been able to fund, as a result, keeping all of our staff employed, all of our staff having benefits, and a lot of our seasonal workers who would typically leave us have been staying here throughout the duration. And it feels like we're on to maybe some orange or lime lemonade too.
That's really great, because we were talking earlier, and Jennifer would actually like to add some tequila to her
And I think I know how to say it correct now. Reposado.
Okay, you got it.
I'm on the road to the correct pronunciation. It's in such a culturally vibrant community here in Jackson. I think it's good to remember that we have lessons to learn about how to pronounce things from the origin of where they were made. Reposado lemonade. Maybe the little bubbly water. Fever Tree is one of the favorites here in Jackson and most of our libation companions.
I love it. I love having you here, Jennifer. And what would be your inspiration to other creatives on how they can survive COVID-19? What kind of, outside of what you do for Dancers Workshop, but what's your word of inspiration for somebody?
The first word that came to my mind was curate. The reason why is because some of us aren't creators by nature. And don't be shy. If you can't create, there's a lot of things that exist around us, especially here in Jackson, and also with that thing called the World Wide Web and us being on it a lot more frequently lately. You can take things that have existing creations and curate them for yourself and make it personalized. I feel blessed to wear multiple different hats in this community. Wildly Creative, the campaign that's supported by the Travel and Tourism Board, supports all types of arts, including culinary. Those stories are amazing. We just came up with our own cocktail, and we're not mixologists. So I would suggest that we all take a few moments each day and curate.
Great advice. I love that. And I'm really happy that Wyoming Humanities was able to assist Dancers Workshop during COVID-19. And thank you for being here, and thank you for being a part of making lemonade.
Thank you so much. We look forward to being together again soon. And shout out to all of our community members, and especially the Wyoming Humanities Council for their unending support.